Urtopia, a company specializing in carbon fiber bicycle manufacturing, has unveiled what they claim to be the smallest, lightest, and highest torque density motor in the world, as detailed in a recent press release. More compact than a standard 33 cl beverage can, but with a similar diameter, this device is capable of producing up to 60 Nm of torque while weighing only 1.2 kilograms. Furthermore, the company has also taken advantage of the CES to introduce a 3D printed titanium alloy frame and a solid-state battery capable of delivering up to 300 Wh/kg and seamlessly integrating into the bicycle frame. Collectively, these innovations have culminated in the Urtopia Titanium Zero, a concept model that paves the way for the brand's upcoming releases and poses a significant challenge to engineers from other companies, who will see the bike's overall weight of 10 kilograms as a difficult benchmark to surpass. Competition in this sector is fierce, with continuous innovations aimed at enhancing user comfort while pedaling, through increasingly lightweight and powerful designs. These systems function by incorporating a small motor into the bicycle's bottom bracket, which generates a certain amount of torque on the chain thanks to power supplied by an onboard battery, typically integrated into the frame. Rather than acting as a motor for an electric scooter or motorcycle, the bicycle motor assists the rider's pedaling, making uphill climbs more manageable and enabling higher speeds on flat terrain.